Hello everyone, welcome to this short video where we're going to talk about S-Timber capabilities to analyze and code check timber structures using Eurocode 5 related to timber structures. So what we have here in S-Timber is this simple frame model that has two columns made of the same type of material. It's lumber with the same sections, and as well as beam over here. So the first thing that we usually want to do is set up the material and the section of these elements. So just for the sake of being checked with Eurocode regulations, we're going to pick up the database of the Eurocodes, and then you can go ahead and set your material as you wish. Additional to that, we also need to go over here into the settings, design, and verify that our timber code is Eurocode 5 1995 111 2014, and then we can also verify that the national annex is selected. Right now it's set to the UK, and then if we want to take a look at different design factors for timber, these are all set to the United Kingdom default, but we can tune in these as we wish. For any other additional checks that we want to toggle on and off, we can also do that, but there are other videos focusing on that capabilities right now. So aside from that, we have a couple of loads, two lateral loads and one member load. And after doing that and setting up our constraints, we just need to go here to run, code check, click here on run. The first thing that it does is that it runs a structural analysis, and after that it runs the different code checks that this structure is subject to. So we can take a look here at different code checks that have been performed, like the bending plus axial, the two-way bending, torsion if there was any, the deflection, which is very minimal, as well as the axial, the shear that it's working very well on the columns, and a little over designed on the beam. So, and of course, yes, we have the failing code checks here for the bending, right? So we can always go over here to the design output to verify which checks are being done and the demands and the capacities that we have for each one of these checks, the checks that are passing and the checks that aren't. If we want to take a deeper look into this, we can just click over here, take a look at the utilization of the object and the load case. We can see that this load case is basically failing all of our elements. Take a look at the one that it's failing by the biggest margin and go one by one by the different states and take a look at the specifics of each one of these code checks. So with that, we can go ahead and verify our design to different code checks with different cases and have a successful design executed. So that's it for today's short video. If you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out to us to any of our additional channels. That's it for today. Thank you and goodbye.